All right, if you're having issues with the Sprinter van, the glow plugs are not working, so this is the thing that you have to replace. In this case, is 2011, so it's 2011. This is the part number, so just in case, if you have the same Sprinter van, this is what you're going to need. And you can get the cheapest one, the unbranded brand, and it's like $70. And if you want to buy the original one, the Peru is the original one. It's going to be like $150 on internet. If you go to the dealership, it will be like $300. So I'll show you how to replace it. So if your Sprinter van is not starting in the morning, maybe this issue. Also, you can scan it with a code reader, and you will see the problem. So let's plug in the new one, and let's see how it goes. Right, so this is the front of the vehicle. So basically, the controller, the glow plug controller, is under the air filter. So basically, you need one of these ratcheting tools, and you're going to need the 8 millimeters, the star shape. So that way you can remove these weird screws that you see here. So basically, this is just in the middle. I just replace it. It's very easy. When I try to replace it, I mean, this plastic, it breaks like very, very easily. But try to remove it, without breaking it if you can. Otherwise, I think it will be okay. So I mean, it's watertight protected, so you can remove it, put it back in. This is the new one, and I did the same thing. So this goes in one way. So there is no way that you can, turn it around and plug it in any other way. And this is the same thing. Just plug it in, start the vehicle, and it works great. So even without this, if it's warm, the vehicle will start just fine. But if it's cold and you don't have this, you're going to struggle. So again, you put the ratchet here on this side, and then just here in the middle, and that's it. That is all you have to do to replace it. Hopefully this video was useful. I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or parts, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I can try to leave in the video description the model and everything, so that way you can buy it yourself. Thank you. See you next time.